Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget Cake. So finally we have with us the much awaited Mi Band 4, and today in this video we will be showing you the unboxing and the overview of this newly launched fitness tracker from Xiaomi. Mi Band 4 is available at the moment only in China, and if you like it then do check the buy link in the description below. There is also a coupon code which will give you a huge discount, so do check it out. So let's begin with the unboxing first. So here we have the box, and guys, this is the Chinese version, which by the way also has the option of English language. In the front of the box we have the picture of the Mi Band and the number 4 written here. On the side of the box we have some features such as you can use it while swimming, supports fitness mode and has Alipay, but this is limited to China only. On this side we have some features such as AMOLED screen, vibration alert for notifications and the sleep tracking. At the back of the box we can see the specifications, and the Mi Band 4 is 5 ATM waterproof and has 135 mAh battery. So let's open the box and see the content now. So here we have the Mi Band 4, and guys, unlike the curved display of the Mi Band 3, we have a 2.5D color display this time. We will look at it in a moment. Let's see what else we have here in the box. So we get the user guide which has the info about the pairing process and some usual info, but in this Chinese variant you don't get the English user manual. And then we get the charging dock, and this time it's little different, and I'm really happy to see this design, as I have faced so many issues with charging in the previous variants of Mi Band. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the band closely. Mi Band 4 has the color AMOLED display, which is the biggest change we have in this version. The display we get in this is a 0.95 inch 120 by 240 pixel. The screen is also protected with the anti-fingerprint coating, and the best thing about this screen is that it has 450 nits brightness, which will be very useful in direct sunlight. The style of the strap is similar to what we have seen in the previous variants, and you get a premium push button strap. Looking at the Mi Band 4, this fitness tracker looks very similar to the Hey Plus band which we have reviewed earlier. Talking about other features, we get a full touchscreen on this, and we also have this single capacitive button which will allow you to go back and wake up the screen. At the back we have the charging pins and the heart rate sensor, and this fitness tracker comes with the Bluetooth 5.0 which will ensure you better connectivity range. Now let's turn it on and pair it with our phone. In order to pair, we need the Mi Fit app, and for pairing, you need to go to Add Device page and choose the band option. And once the device is recognized, you will get an alert on your band. And as soon as you pair it with your phone, you will see the language is changed to English on the band. Once paired, it will show you some features which this fitness tracker supports, such as lock, music controls and so on. And we also got a firmware update, so let's do it and then we will show you some features of this band. So the firmware is upgraded now, and let me show you the different options we have. So first we have this watch face, and I can't believe how beautiful this screen looks. The AMOLED screen is pretty bright and vibrant. About the watch faces, there are a lot of them, and to change you would need to use the app. There is also a trick by which you can also put your own watch face on the Mi Band 4. To go through the menu, you need to swipe up or down, and also from the home screen itself, you can access the music controls and Alipay. In the menu, the first option we have is the status, which shows you step count, calories and distance traveled. And it also shows you how many times you have received the idle alert on your band. To go back, you can either press the bottom button or swipe from the left on the screen. Then we have the heart rate, and I have tested the heart rate monitoring with other fitness bands and it's quite accurate. And then we get the workout menu, and here you have the option of outdoor running, treadmill, cycling, exercise and swimming. After that we have the weather info, and you can see the forecast here by swiping down on the screen. After weather you get the notifications and more option. In the more option, you have the DND, alarm, music controls, stopwatch, timer and find device feature. And here is how it plays a sound on your phone. And then we have the option of changing watch faces, but it only gives you a couple of options in the band. Then in the settings you can change the brightness, toggle screen lock and reboot the band. This band also supports raise to wake feature, and it also has a proximity sensor, and with this, if you cover the band with your palm, it will turn off the display, which is really good, as I have seen this feature only in premium smartwatches. Now talking about the app Mi Fit, as I have mentioned in many of my videos that it's the best fitness tracker companion app. The interface is simple, and on the homepage you have the fitness data, which includes your step counts, sleep data and heart rate. You can touch any of these options to see the historical data. On the device page you can change settings. First you will see the battery, and then here we have the watch faces. You can choose from all these watch faces, and believe me, some of them look amazing on the band. And then we have the option to turn on incoming call and app notifications. And here is how it looks. This is the call notification and this is the app notification. And from the settings, you can turn on the idle alert and also turn on the heart rate detection to automatic. But this will reduce the battery life. There is also an option of night mode, which will lower the brightness of the band and turn off raise to wake feature. I have used this fitness tracker for a few days now, and here is what I like about it. First of all, the display of the Mi Band 4 is pretty good. The touch is quite responsive and smooth. There is no lag at all while going through the different features of this fitness tracker. It's lightweight and really comfortable to use. In terms of quality, the Mi Band 4 looks really good and it does feel premium. In terms of data, I'll be using it for a few more days and let you know how accurate the data is. Till now, I have used it for 3-4 days and I find the heart rate detection accurate and the pedometer is also accurate. The sleep tracking, however, is again disappointing. And I noticed that during my time with this fitness tracker, it didn't capture the sleep data properly. And there is no provision of day nap in this fitness tracker like the Honor Band 4. Apart from that, the overall fitness data is pretty accurate and I'm really happy with the performance. The battery performance is pretty good, and even though we have a color AMOLED display on this, I noticed only 5-6% dip in the battery every day. And that too with the continuous heart rate monitoring. So with this mode, it can easily last for 15 days. And without it, as company claims, it will give you 20 days of battery backup, which is pretty good. And right now I can say that Mi Band 4 is the best fitness tracker available in this price range. And guys, if you like this fitness tracker, then don't forget to check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and review of the Mi Band 4. Let us know if you like this new fitness tracker from Xiaomi. And also, do tell us if you would buy this or will you wait for the Honor Band 5 in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.